Alright, so day 3, flight 5, I believe we're up to. We're going to fly the brick again, the black brick. What I've had to do with these is I've had to plug it back in the charger, even though I put a new battery on that's already charged, to get it to kick it for a cycle, just for a second or two, and then it registers that the battery's charged. So we'll plug this one and see what we get registered on the app here. So just to show what I'm talking about, this thing literally like fits like side to side, and I had to put a little bit of tape on it to get it to slide in. So it's probably not best for the long haul because I can't get it in and put the electronics back in, but for testing purposes it works. Alright, so we got 9 minutes and 14 seconds out of that flight. Not impressed at all with this. So I think I'm about to go back inside and drain the batteries and recharge them again with the board on and see if we can get this back up to, I think it was 3,200, somewhere in that range, maybe more. But we got over 15 minutes of flight yesterday or the day before when we did this. So still room to improve, so we'll see where we go from here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us on our Autel X-star battery modifications. Hope you like what you're seeing. Go ahead and click this like and then subscribe and follow along for more updates and information as we keep testing these batteries.